Hi, sociologists. This is our end of semester. Um, you're being asked to do a couple things this week, so I just wanted to run through the modules with you so you could see. The what has shifted is going to be your last little bit. You're also doing pick a chapter. Well, that was due yesterday, but I just wanted to advise you that since I ended up opening the final early, I didn't take that feedback in creating questions. Your final exam was already set by then, so I apologize for any confusion that might have caused. The final exam is here. You can see exactly what it is I'm asking, and it's based on the chapters from the midterm forward. You can see 10, 11, 12, 14, and 21. So that's what you're going to be working on. And then you have a couple other outstanding things that you're going to need to get done, but they're discussion posts, right? What has shifted, basically, is what I'm asking you to look at. And then I want to talk to you about service learning for those of you that are going to be around in the fall. I'm going to teach a class called Service Learning, and I teach it right now. And basically what it is it's a community service-based class where you do the bulk of the work in an organization or with an organization that does community service, social service kind of work. So, for example, Canal Alliance is one of our partners, the SPAR Center, the Center for Domestic Peace, different kinds of programs that support recovery, different programs that support people with different kind of brain injuries. We work with the Brain Injury Network. We work with people, organizations that work with children. So it's basically hands-on sociology in some ways, applied sociology, if you want to look at it that way. And it's going to be an online course. It's going to be Psychology 252A, but it's cross-listed, so it's also Behavioral Sciences 252A. And we'll do module work like we do in this class, and then there'll be actual community service work that you do. And the work that you do in this class is much more extensive. You'll just be posting in discussion forums based on the work that you're doing in the organizations, and then doing some reflective journaling and learning about the organization. So it's kind of an interesting class that doesn't really it's really different from like kind of your standard academic read this, take a test on this, watch this documentary. You know, it's kind of it walks a different walk. So it's one of my favorite classes to teach, and so maybe if you're around, you want to take it. We'll have a good time. It's usually small, and it's usually we get to know each other pretty well, and it's a lot of fun. So keep that in mind. And then in terms of what you're doing for the rest of the semester is making sure that you've got all the posts done that are still open. You are turning in any extra credit you have. You are completing your final exam. And then you're done. So I know you were online from the start, so this class didn't change in any way, shape, or form in terms of content. So you've learned what was intended for you to learn from the get-go. So you've completed this class in its kind of truest form. As compared to classes that switch to remote mid-semester. So congratulations, and you get to call yourself a sociologist a little bit. So hopefully you use your sociology wisely, and keep always questioning what people tell you is real, and tell them it's a social construction, and help them reimagine what could be, because I think right now is a great time to be in the business of reimagining and watching how things change and being a part of the change rather than sitting back and letting it happen to you. So good luck, and I look forward to working with you again in the future. Take care.